These contributions from Simpson, Dave, and Harrow have been reorganized and simplified into 4 categories or levels. Table 3 simplified and reorganized categories or levels of learning in the psychomotor domain. So here are categories or levels: outcome verbs, learning outcome statements. So first, observing, active mental attention to a physical. Ang active mental attention to a physical activity means deliberately directing your thoughts and awareness to what you are doing. So, ang outcome verbs sa active mental attention to a physical activity is watch, detect, distinguish, differentiate, describe, relate, and select. So, ang learning outcome statements is direct nonverbal communication caused, watch a more experienced person, observe, and read direction. So, second, attempt to copy a physical behavior. So, ang attempt to copy a physical behavior is called imitation or modeling. It means trying to reproduce or mimic the actions, gestures, or movement of another person. Outcome verbs, is begin, explain, move, display, proceed, react, show, state, and volunteer. So, ang learning outcome statements is show understanding and do sequence of steps with assistance, recognize one's limitation. So, third, performing a specific activity repeatedly. Performing a specific activity repeatedly is called practice or repetition. So, it means involves doing the same physical activity multiple times to improve skill, accuracy, and efficiency. So, ang outcome verbs niya is bend, collaborate, construct, differentiate, dismantle, display, fasten, fix, grasp, grind, handle, measure, mixed, operate, manipulate, and mend. So ang iyang learning outcome statements is operate quickly and accurately, display competence while performing. Performance is moving towards becoming automatic and smooth. Adapting, fine-tuning the skill and making minor adjustments to attain perfection. It means fine-tuning a skill and making minor adjustments to attain perfection is called refinement or skill refinement. So it means involves carefully improving a skill by focusing on small details. Yung outcome verbs is organize, relax, short-term, sketch, write, rearrange, compose, create, design, and originate. So, automatically construct a new scheme or sequence, apply skill in new situation, create a new routine, develop a new program. Table 2.3 Harrow 1972. Reflect category and example of keywords or verbs. Okay, so here are category and example and keywords or verbs. So reflects movements, reactions that are not learned, such as involuntary reaction. Movements are rapid and serve to protect the body from harm or maintain homeostasis. So, examples: instinctive response, or keywords is react and respond. So second, fundamental movements. Fundamental movements, basic movements such as walking or grasping. Fundamental movements are basic motor skills that form the foundation for more complex physical activities and sports. There are essential building blocks in physical development, especially in the children. So here are example and keywords. So example, perform a simple task. So ang keywords, grasp an object, throw a ball, walk. So third, perceptual abilities, response to a stimuli such as visual, auditory, kinesthetic, or tactile discrimination. So ang perceptual abilities refers to the skills involved in receiving, interpreting, and responding to sensory information from the environment. These abilities help individuals understand and interact effectively with the world around them. Example and keywords. So example, track a moving object, recognize a pattern. Keywords, catch a ball, throw, or run. Fourth is physical abilities or fitness. Stamina that must be developed for further development such as strength and agility. Physical abilities or fitness refers to the capacities of the body that enable a person to perform physical tasks effectively. These are linked to physical fitness, which is the condition of being physically healthy and capable. So, an example is gain strength, run a marathon. So, keywords, agility, endurance, strength. So, fifth is skilled movements, advanced learned movements as one would find in sports or acting. Skilled movements are deliberate, well coordinate, and efficient physical actions performed with precision and control. These movements are the result of practiced learning and examples and keywords sa skilled movements. So, ang examples, using an advanced series of integrated movements perform a role in a stage play or play in a set of series in the sports game. So, ang keywords, adapt, constructs, creates, and modifies. Discursive communication refers to forms of communication that do not rely on explicit verbal or written language. Instead, it involves conveying meaning through nonverbal means, sensory experiences, or symbolic forms that transcend traditional language. So here are the example of non-discursive communication. Examples, expressed oneself by using movements and gestures. Keywords, arrange, compose, interpretation. So, table 2.2, Dave 1975. So, muning ang category and example in keywords or verbs. Imitation, observing and patterning behavior after someone else's performance may be of low. So, ang imitation is the process of copying or replicating the behavior, actions, or gestures of another person. So, ang examples, copying a work of art, performing a skill while observing a demonstrator. So, keywords, copy, follow, mimic, repeat, replicate, reproduce, trace. So, second, manipulation, being able to perform certain actions by memory or following instructions. So, manipulation refers to the skillful handling, controlling, or using objects with the hands to achieve a specific goal or task. Examples, being able to perform a skill or on one's own after taking lessons or reading about it, follows instructions to build a model. Keywords, act, build, execute, perform. Precision, refining, becoming more exact, performing a skill within a high degree of precision. Precision is the quality of performing a movement or task with accuracy, exactness, and careful control. For example, working and reworking something so it will be just right. Perform a skill or task without assistance. Demonstrate a task to a beginner. Keywords: calibrate, demonstrate, master, and perfectionism. Articulation: coordinating and adapting a series of actions to achieve harmony and eternal consistency. Has specific meanings depending on the context, primarily in movement or motor skills and speech. So, an example is combining a series of skills to produce a video that involves music, drama, colors, sound, etc. Combining a series of skills or activities to meet a novel requirement. Keywords: adapt, construct, combine, creates, customize, modifies, formulate. Naturalization: mastering a high level, performing until it becomes second nature or natural without needing to think much about it. Is the legal process through which a foreign-born individual acquires citizenship of a country, typically after meeting specific residency and eligibility requirements. Cause is maneuvers a car into a tight parallel parking spot, operates a computer quickly and accurately display competences while playing the piano, Michael Jordan playing basketball, or Nancy Lopez hitting a golf ball. Keywords: create, design, develop, invent, manage, naturally.